What up, YouTube? We back, man, and we just made it to the place. I had to go get some gas real quick. DJ Bray up here trying to cut his cats, man. We up here trying to find a place to actually do it for him. And man, it's nothing but traffic out here, y'all. Man, like these NPC people, they all out here, man. DJ at BP right now waiting for me, bruh. Every time that everybody be trying to wait for me, bruh, I say I'll be on the way, but I low-key would hop in the shower though, no cap.
Hit the hell out of my front lip.
Damn. Yeah, you about to fuck that shit up, twin. Yeah, you about to fuck that shit up, man. How you feel, man?
I feel good though, cause we getting a new one already. It don't matter. But still though, damn.
How you bringing that shit down? You're tweaking.
No, I'm saying I already hit the front lip though.
Oh, you already hit that shit?
I don't know how my shit looking though.
Like you should be straight.
I don't know, bro. It already hit, bro.
You good. I don't see nothing on that motherfucker. Yeah. How y'all mess with the big Z, man? Even though she dirty right now, y'all, think about, you know.
You need to get your mufflers done, bro.
I can't do that, bro.
It's a video, bro. It's a video, bro. You know, it's like $200-300, bro. My shit sound crazy.
Damn, man. I gotta get mine done, y'all.
Cash up?
What up, YouTube? And we just made it to the spot, y'all. We finna get my windshield tinted a little bit more orange, y'all. I know y'all pretty much was seeing the orange, but it's about to be even more darker. So we just made it the OKQ spot, y'all. So we just made it to this spot. We finna get this done. And I'm thinking about getting another badge, y'all. On top of that, I don't know yet, but I'm thinking about getting another badge. But we finna get some exhaust work too, y'all. So it's about to be a crazy build on the freaking Z. I'm tired, bruh. I don't like the Z quiet no more, y'all. I really want it to be like I really wanted to just be like loud, like something just like aggressive. Like when you see me, like it'll just be popping way much more and junk. So we finna go ahead and get that situated real quick and yeah. But I'll get back when we make it to the no, DJ supposed to be pulling up. I don't know where he at right now. He was talking about that he was like 15, no, I think he was like 28 minutes away. So he should be pulling in a couple minutes from now. So we're finna actually go in and get this tent done again, no cap. All right. Bro, y'all, this junk is so freaking fire. This junk fire, y'all. My hands ashy too, y'all. This what happen, y'all, when you get out the shower straight away. That jump hard. Damn, y'all. What y'all think? What y'all think, man? We out here. Time to wait for what's the name? What's the name taking all day, y'all? I told y'all, but them Hellcats slow, man. I know that. Them Hellcats slow for real. Let me see what DJ they last said.
Oh, are we? Get my 15. I'm bitch bone as hell. It's cool. That bitch still
Y'all
got
see that, bro?
one, though. That's all that.
Y'all see that?
In reality, this motherfucker geek shit, dirty shit, need to be washed shit. Goddamn washed shit. I can put my whole name on the side of my car down there. Look at this shit.
Y'all see how he is, bro.
Damn, cuz.
This is like a slow ass Hellcat.
I ain't gonna lie, when your car fast as hell, bro, it get dirty. You know that? It's like I be dusting so much shit that does get on the car.
Damn.
You see what I'm saying? Chill out. Damn.
What the fuck?
Where your car at, nigga? You put a dick on the new tent.
But this shit hard, y'all.
We just took trash out too, so this shit all over the top.
Right here, y'all, man. How y'all peep the drip, man? Even though my hands ashy, man. Damn, I got this damn dark spot right there.
Damn.
Fucked up the damn pants already. Oh shit, I'm touching it now.
Damn.
I'm fucking it up now. I see that, bro. I just fucked up. See, we can just edit that shit. We can just edit that, y'all. No cap, man. What camera you had?
I had a Canon.
Bro, that Canon, nah. We ain't work with Sony.
I love it.
Sony around here. If I got a bean pie head. That's how my head bean pie.
I need to get this motherfucker fixed. Look at that shit.
Oh shit!
Nah, that. Nah, that motherfucker right there. Nah, that be hitting. This is like, that be right there.
Damn. Yeah, that shit, fuck, I don't want to order it, but I kind of have to. That shit better than his.
I need you to do me a favor. I need you, when it gets sunny, I need you to send us a picture of that bitch in the sun, because I need to know if that one in the sun looks different. So I want to see if this one in the sun's gonna look different. Because if this one looks like that in the sun, then we need to order this bitch.
That
That's just way better, bro.
That's better than this.
I told you we figure it out.
That joint right here.
Yeah. Dude, it's like perfect color too.
Oh yeah, I gotta I want to do that video. My name is Ed. So y'all come walk with me. Y'all see the beautiful. Like this bitch is just so crazy, y'all. Y'all see the fit, man. That bitch sick. Even though it got bird shit everywhere, like all this, I gotta watch all that, bro.
Hey, this mother don't zoom?
Huh?
This mother don't zoom in?
Hell nah. Sad. That bitch done zoom. Damn. I know my lips probably be ashy. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I should go all the way around. What you think? I thought they gonna pull me up straight away. Like wrap that beat all the way around the car.
Yeah.
I thought it would be fine though. You know, we got this nasty bunking right there. Even though it's kind of tied down. Damn.
Damn, what happened?
Damn, this nigga been fucking up my shit in the back. Damn. Hey, y'all, don't put that skeleton on the back. Cause this nigga already done fucked up my back, my wrap already.
Hey, one question.
shit up, man.
I hope I can drive straight.
They can't see, man. That bitch loud. Bro, y'all, that bitch is loud.
Fucking up, man.
You gotta say how much you want.
You're me.
How much you want for it?
200.
I got you. So y'all, so we just got the tent redone again, and this time, y'all, this bit is really more darker, y'all. Like, do y'all mess with it, bro? This okay Q tent, his spot too, bro. I'm not gonna even hold y'all, bro. But mine's is just, I don't know, y'all. This shit just hitting, bro. It's like some one-on-one. Pretty much like the first person to do this on an actual Camaro with the orange, y'all. Like, y'all see that? But you can't even see through his. The jump 5. Like, y'all see this, man? Like, man, y'all see this?
I got lotion.
I got some in the back. Bro, my, why you keep messing with my skeleton hands?
I didn't push it all the way back
Like,
that.
Motherfucking like T. I know what.
yeah.
They just came out with it. It's orange with 30% under it. We're both like 50%, so I think.
Yeah.
The thing is, I don't think we should go super dark with this.
Okay, so what you do is you click this, you hit send command, and you hit enable kill switch. Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's see if it. Alright.
It's getting the mufflers cut right now. Yeah, y'all, we getting the mufflers cut, man. Well, not the mufflers, but we getting the resonator secondary cats deleted right now and stuff. So we about to go ahead and get this right. And we at the SS mufflers right now, y'all. I'm about to get me right, man. But yeah, but y'all let me know what y'all really want to see, man. I feel like I'm about to do some crazy junk. I actually got this one muffler shot that I'm pretty much for the back. And that bit probably gonna be hard, y'all. I'm not gonna even hold y'all. But y'all let me know what to do, bro. I think I have to straight pipe it or just get a, I did want to do Corsa exhaust, y'all, but I feel like everybody got it. I don't know if I really want to do it where everybody be doing this junk. But yeah, we about to see how this junk look right now, man. Okay. What up, y'all? We finna get a new badge off Flow Siri. And my boy finally got his shit, man.
It's crazy, bro.
That motherfucker sexy.
Yeah, I mean, that motherfucker geek. Tell me the motherfucker geek. It's a geek thing. The motherfucker geek.
That motherfucker geek.
The motherfucker geek. Yeah.
How y'all feeling? How you feeling about this, bro? It's that geek shit. Look at that, y'all. You got that.
tent done to the tent like purple. You know what I mean? This big geek right here, man. That geek shit, man.
That's that 101.
This that geek shit.
That's that 101.
That's that 101.
101. Jailbreak.
You know what I mean?
Red out on these folks.
You know what I mean?
That motherfucking red.
Yeah. That's that geek shit right here, man.
Woo!
You know what I mean?
You gotta get down with that motherfucker.
What you were doing?
Gotta get down with that motherfucker. Ooh. I said that shit. That's that Joker shit.
We go perk.
We got Apex. We line these. We got the orange, Undergo, and that motherfucker. This shit fire. You ever thought about getting your shit done?
What?
LED lights? Yeah. What you think about doing it? But that shit fire. Y'all about to make me want to get my grill thing. Finna watch the Z, y'all. Even though we done got hit by a rock, y'all. Y'all see my wrap coming off, man. Cause man, I don't even know what this is, y'all. Know what that is? We finna watch the finna watch this punkin, y'all. I barely even like coming up here, man. Bro, why they just don't have no tap, bro? Nobody do not like using this. No cap, man. Look at that sexy thing.
Yeah, one out here, man. This the
I say we got DJ season.
killer right here, man.
All the cats, man. No kids.
Every cat out there, bro.
Every type of
Contact this
cat,
nigga
bro.
and race this nigga, bro.
You know what I'm saying? Make sure to egg his car, y'all.
Damn. All right, bet this slow ass piece of
Bro, make sure to egg this folk car, man. Egg it all the way up, man. If y'all egg it up, man, I give y'all a free Z01.
If y'all throw pumpkins at this point, I'll let y'all slide my
Nah, bro. Egg this shit up, man. Shit. Shit about to be fun. What up, YouTube? And right now, y'all, we headed to the spot. We finna do some rollers and jump. So hopefully this actually goes as planned, cause I know it's gonna be fire, y'all. So right now I got this it costume on right now, y'all. Cause man, hopefully I'm gonna catch me. Look at this slow Kia, bro. But right now, y'all, so we finna get lit, y'all. And y'all, so y'all bear with me, man, bro. We finna get. My lips are dry, y'all. Damn, bro. Y'all ever just got up and just, y'all lips just all the way dry? Damn. So we finna go ahead and go real quick. Fuck. That was a freaking cup. But yeah, I'll get back when we make it to the spot, cause we finna actually get. I got this and then I got the whole fit on right now, y'all. So y'all bear with me, man.